Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw the Fortnite Bart Simpson in his mech suit. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Fortnite Bart Simpson in his mech suit, let's begin with Bart himself. So I'm going to start right here at the eyes. I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. Then right here, I'm going to make a little bump for the nose. Then I'm going to make another circle right here. Then I'm going to put a little dot in each one for the pupils. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and then I'm going to curve this around into a smile. I'm going to make a little bump here for the tongue, and then a line up here for the mouth. We'll make another line here for the other side of the mouth. Then we're going to curve this line. We're going to make this line come down, and we're going to curve over. Let's bring this up to here, and then let's make a little circle shape for the ear. Next, right here, let's make a little bump for the eyebrow. We're going to come up here, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 bumps, and then we're going to bring this down. Then we'll put a little curve in the ear. I'm going to make a little line down on each side for the start of the shirt. We'll make a sad face and then a line across for this part of the shirt. Then we'll just make a little bump, and then we're going to come down here. For this arm, we're just going to go down and then over. Then I'm going to make 1, 2, 3 little bumps. Then we're going to come out and around, so it kind of looks like the thumb on top of the hand. Then we're going to bring this line up. Over here, we're going to bring this line down. I'm going to make this line curve, and we're going to put 1, 2, and then 3 bumps. Then we're going to make a 4th over here for the thumb. And we're going to bring this in. I'm going to bring this line down just a tiny bit. Then we're going to bring this line down and then over here for the shirt. I'm going to make this line come down. We're going to curve and then up here. We're going to go over and down and then another curve that we bring up for the shorts. We're going to come down, over, and then up for the leg. Make a little line for the sock, and then a line that's going to come down for the shoe. We can put this curve here. Next, I'm going to bring this line over and then up here. A little line for the sock, and we're going to come down, straight across, and up here with a little line across and a little half circle. Now let's work on the mech suit. So we're going to make a line that goes up and over, and then up and over for kind of like the back of the seat. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down to here, and we're going to go over and then down here. We're going to make a little rectangle shape around the hands here, and then we can just kind of color this part in to kind of show where the handles are going to be that he's using. We kind of color in a little bit underneath the fingers too. We're going to make this curve out like that. And we're going to make a little bump here and then a little bump here. We're going to go down here We're going to come across. We're also going to add a little line here to kind of show where that part of the seat is. Let's make another little line down here. And then another one here. We're going to make a rectangle shape right here. And then we're going to put a rectangle shape over here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out with a curve and down. Same thing here, out with a curve and down. Then we're going to put a little bump on top of it. Now for the arms, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, down, and in. And then we're going to make 2 lines inside of it. I'm going to make a curve, and we're going to go up. We're going to curve and down. I'm going to go down and in, down and in. Let's draw a circle on here for the palm of the hand. Then we're going to make 1, 2, 3, and then 4 bumps on there, with a little rectangle shape on each side. Over here, we're going to go up. We're going to curve and come down and put a circle on there. Then we're going to make another line here. I'm going to make a curved line. I'm going to come up, over, and then down. This time, I'm going to make an oval shape like this, and then I'm going to put 1, 2, and then 3 ovals on top. I'm going to come down, up, and then like this. And we're going to come up, over, and then connect it so it looks like he's holding a squishy cup. We'll do 2 lines on there. A skinny rectangle, a sad face, and then a skinny rectangle for the straw. Then I'm going to put this little rectangle shape around here. Now, down here, I'm going to make a rectangle shape that's just going to go behind his feet and legs. I'm going to make a line that's going to come up with a curve that connects back. We're going to make an oval shape. We're going to come up, curve it down, and then connect. We'll put a small oval in here, and then 2 curves right there. I'm going to make a line that comes down here, and then 1 down here. Then I'm going to come up and then over. We'll make 2 lines down and then connect them. I'll make this line down and up, down, and then over. Then we're just going to make a little line across the bottom. We're going to put some little curves going up here. And then right on here, I'm going to make another line. And then we're going to add some wiggly lines for some flames. Over here, I'm going to draw an oval shape with a smaller one inside. Make a curve here. I'm going to make this line come down, over, and up. We're going to make a line here with a little curve, and then a couple more. I'll make this line come down, this one come over, and then we're going to make one more here, and we're going to connect them all. I'm going to go down at an angle, down at an angle. Then we're going to come down and connect this. We'll do that little line across the bottom. We'll do a line here and then some more squiggles for some flames. And some little lines across here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Fortnite Bart Simpson in his mech suit. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.